Then we come to alcohol. Again, this series would be alcohol um, to kutob kita phenols for this series. Okay? Uh, Phenols, alcohols and phenols. So, one thing na to remember, kung may kita primary, secondary, tertiary nga carbon and hydrogen, we also have alcohol. So, primary alcohol as 1R. So, dito, importante dito. Of course, your alcohol have an OH, tapos may dani mo usang R. So, kung usalat R, usanin mo OH, it is a primary alcohol. Kung duhaan R, sa ano again, R is an organic compound. Bisan ano itiya, basta may OH ka nga da, alcohol man. And then, may dani mo bisan anong organic substituent di nga side or bangin nila ba ito, it doesn't matter. But that would be considered as an R. And you have 2R, so it is called a secondary alcohol. And kung tulo nga R, meaning OH na ladayon, tapos puro na R, we call it a tertiary alcohol. So, I might include that kay masayo man laya. Okay? So, next is, actually, same name. Ginda-drop lang natin, ang natin lapirin is magiging OL ang katapusan. So, for a pentane, pentene and pentine, or cyclopentane for a cyclic compound, benzene liwat for a benzene for an arene site, iniya is OL. So, for example, like this one, ang magapit ng mga rule, 1, 2, number 2 kita didi, kaya adit pinakailangan ito nasa nga. So, that is a 2-methyl. Tapos, kung hain na mo OL, na ato ito nga 2. So, ito 2-methyl, 2-5-pen, 2-pentanol. Okay? So, kabag uliwat, again, kinsasapitan mo, 2 nga tut imo parent suffix, the OL. So, 2-methylpentan, 2-methylpentan dash 2-ol. Pentan dash 2-ol. 2-methylpentan dash 2-ol. So, new. So, bali dito nga duha. Both of these are IUPAC actually. Adiyan, mas bago nga IUPAC, 1980s IUPAC. So, ini din cis, again, maray man kita ni mag-topic. But I guess, duduha man latira. Ginsisis kasi, usually, makikita ito niyo, usually dinigin, wedge dash. Anyway, pangaranan tan latiya, gamay man latiya nga twist. Cis 4, makikita niyo yung OH, parehera, ada front. Again, for a line dash wedge, animo wedge is ada front. So, kung pareho front animo OH, magiging cis ito era. Cis. Pero kung ito sa nga ito luyo, meaning ito sa OH, ito dito naka broken. Or probably din naka broken, tas din naka wedge. That would be a trans. So, duduha tira. Again, this is isomerism. Isomer laira, duha nga part. So, we call it cis and trans. Okay? So, medyo 3-dimension. I think stereochem na yun. Stereochem, nagkakaiba laira ha, imo 3D. Meaning, labi na ito mga single band. Ang mga single band kasi, uupatit imo nakaband, sang nitaga kami adahin, 3D, diri mo ya pwede flat ha blackboard. So, nagkakamay adaga 3D. So, common niya nga cis. May da pa yun iba ha, biochem. So, bear in mind na kung cis is pareho era front or pareho era back. So, pareho era back, cis gap ito iya. So, cis, hain mati mo OH, ada 1,4. And then, this is cyclo compound. So, that is a cyclohexane. Tapos, duwaira, cyclohexane, incompleto ni hexane, before ka nag-diol. Cyclohexane diol. Okay? Cyclohexane diol. So, incompleto ya. So, cis 1,4, cyclohexane diol. Ang bago, igsasapitan mo 1,4 mo diol. So, cis cyclohexane 1,4 diol. Okay? That is for example. How about this one? This one is a 1, 2, 3. Added dito mo alcohol. But that alcohol is a butanol. Diba? Makikita mo that is a butanol. And this one, an imo benzene nga pambandla. So, naging substituent laya. That is a phenyl. So yan, na substituent la hiya bisan nuro la ba hiya kay sadi. So common ito yan, nagiging substituent la basta wala iba nga naka-attach di benzene, di rin maging parent. So this one is a number 3 nimo an imo chain nga butanol, butane. Ade number 3, that's why that is 3-phenyl, and then number 2 adat imo all. So 3-phenyl 2-butanol. Okay? Or habag o nga ayupak naming convention, that is 3-phenyl butan 2-ol. Both are ayupak names. Okay? So, okay. Then, we have another example. So, this is a benzyl alcohol because you have a benzyl meaning CH2 na ready for bonding. Yan may benzene, we call it benzyl. Ini kasi yung blakla for benzyl at tiya. At ito dito nigbaw. You can use the table lagi na nakatigbaw. Again, pwede latiya basta wala example. While this one is on my double bond, that is a added proper. Actually, pwede benzyl alcohol, pwede din nga phenyl methanol. Because this one is a methanol and this one is a phenyl. So, pwede latiya. Both are accepted. So, even I would accept that. Phenyl methanol. And this one is number 2. This is number 1. This number 2. So, number 2, may dani mo. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, ini nga OH, naka-attach ini ha. CHDD to propene. 1, 2. Okay. So, the parent name would, priority is, again, alcohol. And not again. Sising ko pa man, ang priority ni is, as you go along, hindi mo alkene, mas complicated niya, mas yan maging parent. So, imbis ang pili kang double bond with respect to OL, ito maging parent is the alcohol. So, meaning, kung amo yung parent, mati kang kay number 1 na di nga carbon. Not really the double bond. So, amo ito 1, tapos number 2 anim double bond, so amo ito 2 propene, because that's the double bond, very propan, but propene. Tapos, hindi mo alcohol, add 1. So, that is 2 propene, 1 all. Okay? So, that's an allyl alcohol. So, hindi niya ayupak. So, you can use that 2 propene, 1 all. How about this one? This is adit mas badagmi siguro, adi nga 2-methyl. 2-methyl because ini diretso nga di an propane. That is 3. Carbon group 1, 2, 3. Tapos animo alcohol adi ha number 2. Okay, pwede pala ini 2-methyl propane dash propane 2 all. Pwede lot ito iya. Ma-check ya pa kito ya. But anyway, for this one, the standard name would be may dani mo usa lang nga methyl again because you have 1, 2, 3 nga nahin pa methyl ada number 2 pati nimo alcohol ada number 2 diman. So that would be a 2-methyl 2-propan for 3 carbon. So that is a 2-methyl 2-propanol. This one is adi nga usaya boss. Both are maida. So 1, 2 ethane diol. So ethane is 2 carbon. So ethane diol. So 1, 2 ethane diol. Meaning duha nimo alcohol, duha OH. How about this one? You have triol. So you have 1, 2 and 3 propane triol, propanitriol, propane triol. Actually, this is a glycerol. So glycerol is also well known. Hay mo mga lipids. But you can name is rolipot pa. You can name is 1, 2, 3 propane triol. Another example. An imo phenol ngan an imo methyl. So we call it methylphenol. So OH would be priority sa parent than the benzene since alcohol is complicate more higher than your arene group. So remember kapit sequence. So that's a methyl phenol. M-cresol, though it's well known, anyway, we have to be familiarized na naging cresol ito ya. That's a metacresol. So, tigam nilang that is in a UPAC, that's a methyl phenol. The M is stands for the meta. So, ortho, ola, and then para is pila. Okay? So, M-methyl phenol. So, M-methyl phenol. Ang benzene niya may methyl, ano lang to? So, that is a toluene. Okay? And then your D. You have two nitrogen and then number 1 item OH. So ay man mo mga nitro, that is number 2, 3, 4. So that is a 2, 4. Duha, that is dinitro. And then that word phenol for the OH and the whole benzene. So that is the parent, the phenol, 2, 4 dinitro phenol. Okay, and then we go to example. So that is for phenol and benzene. So may ikat para direct pa.